Drowning in appointment scheduling chaos? Let's cut through the noise and figure out which scheduling tool, Calendly or Calcom, is your lifeline. First up features Calendly, the established player, known for its ease of use, robust integrations, and wide adoption. Key features include automated meeting reminders, customizable event types, and team scheduling. Calcom, the open-source contender, boasts similar features like customizable booking pages and integrations, with a focus on data privacy and greater control over your scheduling infrastructure. Its key features include self-hosting, white labeling options, and extensive AP access for developers. Integrations are crucial. Calendly seamlessly connects with Google Calendar, Outlook, Zoom, and popular CRMs. Calcom offers similar core integrations, and its open-source nature means the possibilities for custom integrations are virtually limitless. Now, let's talk money. Calendly uses a tiered subscription model, offering a free plan with limited features and several pay plans for individuals and teams. Calcom offers a generous free plan and paid plans for more advanced features and team elaboration. User experience is key. Calendly is praised for its intuitive interface and ease of setup. Calcom, while still user-friendly, can require a slightly steeper learning curve, especially when diving into its customization options. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. Choose Calendly for simplicity and established integrations. Opt for Calcom if you value data privacy, open-source flexibility, and extensive customization capabilities. So which scheduling side are you on? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.